Hello and welcome to this short video on Kupo's Super-Viser 10-inch extension adapter. The Kupo Super-Viser 10-inch extension adapter adds an extra 10 inches to the main shaft with a 3.5-inch center jaw Super-Viser clamp, allowing you to clamp large spans. Simply remove the locking handle by turning it counterclockwise. Slide the center jaw and nylon washer off the main shaft. Then thread the female coupler onto the end of the central shaft. Back out the Phillips head screw on the back of the bottom jaw. Replace the center jaw, nylon washer, and locking handle. Now you are ready to clamp large spans. Instead of having to buy specialty extra-large C-clamps or furniture clamps to span long distances, just pick up a couple of these shaft extension adapters today. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image-making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.